In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this half circle patch. Together with the eye patch, it creates a fun closed eye design for ripped jeans. Let's begin. I am using 100% cotton yarn and 3.5mm hook. I start with a magic ring, chain 1, and then chain 2 more. So in total I have 3 chains, and then I place 9 double crochets. The first chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Once I've done this, I tighten up my magic ring and continue on to row 2. Chain 3 and turn your work. Next, place a double crochet into the first stitch. Chain 1 and a double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1 and again a double crochet. Continue that till the end of the row. I'm placing my last double crochet here. And it looks like I have 11 double crochets, but the first 2 they count together. I begin row 3, so I chain 2 and then I place a double crochet into the same stitch. Next, chain 1 and 2 double crochets into the next double crochet stitch from the previous row. Chain 1 and again 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Continue that until the end of the row. Here I am at the end of the row 3, and as I told you, these 2 double crochets from the previous row, they count as 1. So I place 2 double crochet into this stitch formed by these 2 together. And in total I have 10 double crochet granny stitches. So next row I chain 3 and then I will be placing granny stitches consisting of 3 double crochets between the 2 double crochet clusters. So I placed 3 double crochet into this next chain space, and then I do not chain 1. I continue right away with 3 double crochets into the next chain space. And I continue doing that till the end of the row. I arrived at the end of the row and I'm placing the last group of 3 double crochets into the last chain space, and I still need to place a double crochet into the very first stitch. Now on to row 5. I turn my work, I chain 3. Next, I'm placing a double crochet into the space between this last double crochet and the group of 3 double crochets. Second double crochet, I'm not placing into the same space, but in the row before that, right between these 2 double crochets. Pull the yarn nicely, don't make it too tight. And the third double crochet of this cluster goes again into the same first space. Okay, chain 1, and I will repeat that till the end of the row. So double crochet into the next space, the next double crochet into the row before, right between these 2 double crochets. Pull the yarn nicely, and the third double crochet again in the space between the groups of 3. Continue that, and I will meet you at the end of the row. Here's the last space, so I'm placing this cluster of 3 double crochets. It's a bit tricky, so just try to do it as nicely as you can. And the last double crochet, and I still need to place one more right into this first double crochet formed by 3 chain. The hard part is now done, and now I will be doing the last row. So I chain 2, 3, 4, and then I will be placing a double crochet into the middle of this cluster of 3 double crochets. Chain 1, next double crochet right between the clusters. Chain 1, right into the middle stitch. Chain 1 in the chain space. Chain 1, right into the middle stitch. Just like that, and continue doing that till the end of the row. I'm about to finish this row, so I'm placing the last double crochet, and right after that I will work on this top of the half circle. For now it looks a bit raw and not so nice, so I will add 2 more rows. First single crochets and then double crochets. I chain 1 and then I place a single crochet in the middle of the double crochet stitch. Next one goes between the rows, the next again into the middle of the double crochet stitch, between the rows. Just paste it evenly and nicely, and make sure it's not too tight or too loose, that you have a ideal tension and amount of stitches. Continue doing that till the end of this row. I arrived at the end of this row, so I am placing 2 last stitches in the double crochet and into this top stitch, first stitch, and then I will add another row of double crochets. So I will chain 2 and then I turn my work, and then I continue with double crochet in every stitch. Here goes the last one, and then I will be placing 1 more row of single crochets along this circle, half circle. Yep. And that was a bit too far, so let me undo that. Okay, I chain 1 and then I place in the middle of the previous double crochet a single crochet, then the next one goes between the rows. So just paste it nice and tight, that it will not shrink and tighten up your edge. So I have 1 into the stitching, 1 into the chain space, and now I am about to finish this row. Just a few last stitches, and we are almost finished with this patch. In the end, chain 1, cut the thread and pull it out, and your patch is now done, finished. And that's how you crochet this half circle patch. You can combine it with the eye patch to create a fun design for ripped jeans. Check out the eye patch tutorial on the end screen. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!